Hello everybody, this is Sonny from the Cyborg Rhino. My cat's joining me today. Today we're going to be unboxing and doing a little mini review of the Google Pixel 10a. So I currently own a Google Pixel, I think it's a Pixel 8, I think. I'm actually not, I can't remember off the top of my head. It's an 8? I think it's an 8. Or a 7. I think it's an 8. I've currently got that. And it's time for my phone upgrade, so I decided to get the 10a. We're going to unbox it, see what it looks like, and then I'll do a little review at the end once I've set the whole phone up, because I know you don't want to look at all that. So, I pre-ordered a case for it and screen protector. So I'm not going to go into that. You can see that at the end of the video. I've got it here. So I'm going to open it up for you because I know you guys love the unboxing videos. Please subscribe as well if you're new. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by August the 13th. We are so close to hitting that mark, and it would mean so much if I got there even before my sort of expected date to hit it. So, what have we got inside? I'm not going to show just in case there's stuff with my address on. A wine voucher, which is always fun. Okay. We've got a SIM thing. Okay, and then the phone itself came with Google Pixel Buds 2a, which is great because I haven't really got a pair of buds like these, so that's going to be great. And that came extra with the deal. And then here it is. Give it a little wipe down. Make sure I haven't got any personal information. There's no personal information on there. Nope. So here is the Google Pixel 10a. There's the box. I got the Obsidian. There's the side. Just double check the back. Make sure. Yep. There's the back. 5G sub 6, 6.3 inches, 160 millimeters. I think that is. Yeah. 256 gigabytes. My current phone is actually 128, and that lasted 2 years, and it's just hit full storage. So it's going to be, this is going to hopefully, I mean, this one I'm going to have for 2 years as well, but it should let me have a lot more stuff on there. So yeah, that is it. I thought it would come with a charger. And look, as I'm recording, my phone came up with storage low, so that just shows you everything, doesn't it? I thought it would come with a charger. I don't see one, so we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to open the box up now. I am still not sure about this charging situation. It says no charger on the back, but it did say it would come with one, so that is a bit interesting. And my current charger's basically doesn't work, so I was hoping it would come with one, but it doesn't seem like it has. How on earth do you open it? Oh, you have to... Oh, interesting. I don't know what that did, but okay, right, let's give it an open. I believe you have to take the cover off. But I don't know. Seems to be a difficult one to open. Come on. Is this how you're supposed to open it? I think it is, by ripping this off. Who knows? Okay. Right, there we go. There's the front off. Okay, so there's the box. Let's do the grand reveal. And there is the phone. Oh no, we might have a charger actually. We've got some stuff. Oh no, that might. I don't know how a charger would fit in there. Okay, so here's the phone. It's got all the sort of wrapping on it. We'll have a look at that in a second. And let's see. Oh, I think we're good here. So, got the old information, the energy information. And we've got the sort of booklet, which I assume it always has the same sort of stuff in every time. I won't bore you with that. We have the pin to get the SIM card out, which is obviously standard with everything. And I was right, we do have a charger, not a socket, but thankfully it's my charger that is messed up, not the socket. So that's good. Nice charging charging cable there. And here is the phone. I'm gonna be really careful with this because I don't want to drop it before putting. Well, I don't want to drop it full stop, but let's do the reveal for you guys. Oh, it slides open. Okay. Bit of ASMR for you. Ooh, look at that. There's the phone. There you go. You can see my reflection in it. That's how clean it is. Really nice slick design, especially on the back there. There are the buttons. There's the bottom. And there's the side where the SIM is. So I assume it will need charging before I set everything up. But it is a really nice slick phone, which is always a bonus. So there's the phone. There's the unboxing part of it. Now I'll unbox the earbuds because why not? Why not? Just for you guys. Special treat. I will unbox the earbuds and then I will cut to once I've set up my phone where you can then get the little mini review at the end. So we're going to unbox the earbuds here, which I assume are all these new paper boxes, good for the environment, you know what I mean? But they don't let you open them in a good way. They make these impossible to open. Oh, hello. Oh no, we've got something. We've got movement. Oh, hello. Come in a nice box. Nice. Love it. There's the... Ooh, that is nice, isn't it? Okay. So there's the little pod they come in. Open that up. And there they are inside. Sorry about that, guys. As soon as I opened them up, it came up on my phone saying Google Pixel Buds have been connected or something, which is really weird. I guess it could see the Bluetooth being there. So, aha, then we have spare little bud bits so they can fit your ears better. And then we have a support booklet again. And that's nice. So those are the little unboxing for the buds. I will see you all once I have finished setting up the phone. So I'll see you then. Right, guys, I haven't fully finished setting it up, but I thought I'd share it with you now because it's practically already just set up. So it gave me a new SIM with a new number on it, but I just put my old SIM in and it works perfectly fine. So this is the sort of home menu here, and this is what you'll see when you first get the phone. Here's all the sort of apps it automatically gives you: Google Gemini, Fitbit, Gmail, all the Google stuff, as you could expect. It's, swiped well. I mean, I don't even know what to say. It looks really nice. I'll show you the camera quality for a second. So the camera quality is nice. There's a camera update available. Video quality, it seems the same as the Pixel. I'm recording this currently on my Pixel 8. It looks the same. I wouldn't say it's exactly the same, but it's definitely better. But it's not a huge jump in quality. I think camera quality is definitely noticeably better. Get my cat sleeping. But yeah, it's a nice camera. And yeah, so it's a great phone so far. Obviously, I haven't had full experience with it yet, but after just sort of loading it up, it seems nice, clean, easy to use, and it's quick and easy setup. There's a setting you can have so you can set it up from your previous Pixel phone. So I have all the accounts and stuff on there, and I've done that. All the contacts are in there as well. So yeah, great phone. So yeah, that's it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my quick unboxing and mini review for the Google Pixel 10a. I'm glad I finally have a new phone, because this one that I'm recording on right now has a massive line going through it. It's not the worst thing in the world. You get used to it, but it's just not practical. It doesn't look that great. So I'm glad I finally got an upgrade, and it's a great phone so far. And yeah, can't wait to use it. Please comment down below if you've got a Google Pixel 10a, what you think of the phone. Leave your thoughts down below. Like the video, subscribe if you're new here. As I said, I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers this year, and I can only get there with your help. I am at 90 away. Thank you for watching this video, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.